Hello and welcome back to 305 Tech. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today I have a special treat for you. This is a brand new, unopened Lenovo ThinkPad T16 in Thunder Black. This ThinkPad T16 is equipped with a brand new 12th generation Intel Core i7 1260p. This is the first laptop that Lenovo is releasing with this new family of CPUs, which has a total of 12 cores, 4 of them being performance cores and 8 of them being efficient cores, giving you a total of 16 threads, a max turbo frequency of 4.7 GHz, and a total of 18 megabytes of cache. Today we're going to be opening this laptop. We're gonna remove the lid and see what upgrades we can do to it. For this unboxing, I'm going to be using my brand new iFixit toolkit. This is the Moray Precision Bit Set. This toolkit offers a great value at a retail price of $20 US. If you are interested in getting this toolkit or any of the parts used in this video, please consider using my Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Upon first look, I see a couple of things that I like. First, we see a standard M.2 NVMe slot, which means we can upgrade this hard drive. And I also see an available memory slot, which means we should be able to put 32 gigabytes of RAM in here. So let's go ahead and do some upgrades. As I mentioned, I'm going to be installing 32 gigabytes of RAM. This particular computer also came with 16 gigabytes of RAM soldered onto the main board. So 16 plus 32, we're going to have a total of 48 gigabytes of RAM on this configuration. I also see a secondary M.2 slot, which gives us the possibility of having up to 2 hard drives installed in this computer. Good job, Lenovo, by using Samsung drives. This is a 512 gigabyte PCIe Gen 4 NVMe drive, and we're going to be replacing it with a Samsung 980 Pro, a 2 terabyte configuration. This is also a PCIe Gen 4 NVMe drive. We also see that Lenovo is starting to include a low profile copper heatsink for PCIe Gen 4 drives. This is to be able to dissipate some of the additional heat load on these faster but also hotter drives. Prior to replacing the bottom cover, I always like to make sure that the computer posts properly and that it detects all the components I have installed to it. Let's go ahead and turn it on before replacing the bottom cover and make sure that it posts correctly. You can see memory was properly detected and hard drive was also properly detected. At this time, it's okay to shut down the computer and replace the bottom cover. Here we are. I'm also going to take an opportunity and show you all the ports on this computer since it's a new model, and as of this recording there's not much content out there. On this side we have an RJ45 port, 2 Thunderbolt ports. This is the primary charging port, an HDMI port, a USB 5 GHz per second Type A port, headphone jacks. And on the other side, we have an additional USB Type A port and a Kensington locking port. Here's the keyboard layout, and let's have a listen to what the keyboard sounds like. Okay, this wraps it up for this video. I hope it has been informational. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and sharing it with your friends. And also don't forget to click on the like button and leave me any comments down below if you have any questions. This is Will from 305 Tech. Thanks for watching.